Taking bananas, my bananas are not ripe yet. One ripe fruit covered in berry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Hasna Nabila. You can call me Hani. I'm from MTSN 1 Wonogiri. And now I would like to tell you a story entitled The Crying Stone in a Small Village in West Kalimantan. Once upon a time, there lived a girl with her mother on a mountain near a town in Kalimantan. Her name was Darmi. Darmi was a very beautiful girl. Every day, she always wore her best makeup and clothes. She never helped her mother. She was very lazy and spoiled. One day, her mother accompanied her to the market. Oh, okay, but I don't want to walk beside you. You have to walk behind me. With a sad heart, her mother agreed. So, Darmi walked in front of her mother, and her mother followed behind her. The girl and her mother looked very different. The girl looked very beautiful in her beautiful dress, while her mother looked very old in her simple shabby dress. While she was walking, she sang. Taking bananas, my bananas are not ripe yet. One ripe fruit covered in berry. One ripe fruit covered in berry. Mangga lepak. The broken pan wood, the pan was thankful in flames. The fire almost pulled out. The pan was thankful in flames. The fire almost pulled out. Which one has a stump beaten by a monitor lizard? Which one has a stump beaten by a monitor lizard? On the way to the market, people greet the beautiful girl and ask who's the old woman behind her was. Then the girl told them, "Oh, she's just my maid." Her mother was very sad, but she couldn't do anything. However, in her heart, she was softened by the insult. Then her mother said to Darmi, "Darmi, how can you keep telling those people that I'm your maid, not your mother?" And Darmi said, "Mom, I have to do that. I don't want them to laugh at me if they find out that you're my mother. We look so different. You're so shabby and I'm so beautiful." "Enough, Darmi. You've hurt me so deeply that I can no longer stand it. Whoever or whatever I am, you must respect me like your own mother," said her mother. Her mother could no longer bear the pain. She prayed to God to punish her daughter. "My God, I can't bear my daughter's behavior anymore. She's hurt me too much. It's too much. Please punish her so that she regrets what she's done to me." Her mother could no longer bear her regretness to Darmi. She cried a lot. And God answered her prayer. Slowly, Darmi's legs turned to stone. The girl began to panic. She cried for her mother's help. "Mom, please, forgive me." The girl said, but it was too late. Finally, her entire body had turned to stone. To this day, people can still see her tears falling on the stone. That's why it's called the crying stone. The moral of this story is the importance of being devoted and respecting one's parents, especially one's mother. This story teaches that children who disobey their mother or their father will be get punished and experience bad things. I'm Hani, and I would like to end that story by saying thank you and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.